guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a soft, I'm aiming for a soft look. I hope you guys like that little tutorial I did. That's how I do my wigs, because you guys already know I can't do lace fronts. I will practice soon, but I don't have the time for that right now. But yeah, that's how I usually put the lace fronts on and throw a headband on there. But yeah, you guys, I'm just getting into this glam. Let's just see what I come up with and stay tuned. That's the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really like, oh my god, that's Cameron. I really like how the orange just pops out. I try to be easy on the eyeshadow just because I've been doing a lot of dramatic and bold eyeshadows, so I want to do a little bit softer look. As far as the little hair tutorial, I hope you guys liked it. It wasn't much, it was just how I apply wigs, because yeah. And then yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did add sparkles where the eyeliner is supposed to be. I didn't want to fully put it orange, just to be a little different, and you guys know I like sparkles. And yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love this hair. I just have to put it out there, because every time I put this wig on, I feel like Rapunzel. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn your bell notifications on. I'm for sure gonna be who is that? That's Kyrie. I'm for sure gonna be doing a hair video, because I've been doing a lot of makeup videos lately, and hair though. But I'm gonna be doing a hair only video very soon. So yeah, stay tuned, you guys. I still need to do my butterfly locks video. That's coming. But yeah, I'll be back in the next video.